Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish pair of heels that are going to be easy on your feet, then you have to check out these espadrilles from Ankis. These heels are just under 3.5 inches high, and I love the wedge heel because it gives me a little bit more stability. Something else that's really important to me is having a non-slip sole. These ones have little ridges that keep me from slipping around. I've been wearing these mainly with slacks. I really like the look because it kind of dresses it down a little bit, whereas the slacks could be a little bit more business-like, and having these wedge heels give it more of a beachy or casual look that I really like. I wear a 7.5, and that's the size that I got, and I would say that these are true to size. They fit me really perfectly. The ankle strap is not uncomfortable, and I love, of course, that it has a little bit of elastic on the side, so it gives you that give as you're walking so that they're not pinching your ankles or anything like that. There's a good amount of padding in the heel so it doesn't stress your feet out as you're walking, which I really appreciate. These are the perfect spring and summer wedge heel. I just love having them for my wardrobe because they match so many different things. You're gonna love them too, and that's my point of view.